Hi, I'm Dr. Christina, the Picky PT, and today I'm going to show you how to be picky about choosing between dumbbells and a free squat versus a squat machine when you're working out at the gym. So, what are the benefits of a free squat versus a squat machine? Well, a free squat might end up being more functional for what you do throughout the day. Maybe you've got a job where you do a whole lot of lifting. Maybe you've got young children or an adult that you care for, and you have to do squats throughout the day in order to lift them, okay? So doing a free squat is really gonna simulate what you do when you're caring for your loved one or you're doing your job. There are cons to doing a free squat though. It does allow more opportunities for you to compensate. So things that you need to look out for are not compensating with your back extensors as you squat down, okay? Instead, you need to think about keeping your abdominals engaged and opening your glutes down and backwards as you squat, okay? Versus arching your back to stick those glutes out. You also need to watch out for allowing those knees to come forward as you squat, and instead try to hold those knees in place, still in space as you squat to prevent any knee pain in the front. So, like I said, pros of doing a free squat, it's more functional and you can simulate what you're actually doing throughout the day. Cons of a free squat, you have more opportunities for that compensation and could injure yourself if you're not being intentional about how you're doing it. The pros of using a squat machine versus doing a free squat is I've got this nice solid backing behind me that gives me a good place to cue myself to hold my core in and not forget to do that. So unless I'm arching my back away from the platform as I'm squatting, I'm gonna be able to hold my core a whole lot better. We also wanna make sure that we have our feet walked out far enough on the platform so that when we go ahead and squat down, our knees are not gonna go over our toes as we do that, all right? If our feet are walked too far in, then our knees may go over our toes early on, and we're going to put an increased risk at hurting our knees as we do this. So, pros of using the squat machine are gonna be the backing underneath your core that helps you to hold your core better. Cons are gonna be that if you don't walk your feet far enough forward, you're more likely to injure your knees or arch your back away from the backing behind you. It's also a little bit less functional than a free squat because how many times in your daily life are you leaning back and then you need to be able to push something away? Unless that's part of your job or part of your daily routine, then this would be a perfect machine for you. So remember to subscribe and like this channel if you want to continue to learn more about your own body and how to use it the most efficient in many different situations, including the gym. And if you're still struggling with picking which exercise you should do at the gym for your squat training, then make sure to contact a neuromuscular expert, a physical therapist, to help you figure out which is going to be the best option for you.